Good morning. Today we will start with chapter 4 of class 9th English literature reader Beehive. So the chapter that we are going to take up today is A Truly Beautiful Mind. So this chapter is a short biography of the famous scientist Albert Einstein. I hope you all might have heard about Albert Einstein. So in this chapters that some of his qualities have been highlighted. So it is in this story, it portrays the other side of his life. Although we all know that he was a genius, he was a great scientist and a mathematician, but the other side of the story has been portrayed here, and that is his concern. He concerns and promotes human welfare. So we all know that Albert Einstein, he was a theoretical physicist and he developed the theory of relativity. That is one of the two pillars of modern physics. So in this chapter, it is the biography where some of his qualities have been highlighted. So Truly Beautiful Mind this title, it makes people wonder, how can the mind of the scientist be beautiful? So let me tell you, we are talking in this chapter, we will talk about some of his qualities that made him different from others. So he promoted human welfare. He advocated non-violence. That is why the title is referred to as Beautiful Mind, a truly beautiful mind. So he was a great humanitarian. So that is why the title of the chapter is being given as A Truly Beautiful Mind. So let's begin with the chapter. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm, without any indication that he was destined for greatness. Destined is like a predetermined fate. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. Freak is a word that is used for disapproving to talk about a person who is unusual and who does not behave or think like other people. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed to be too large. So in this, what is given here is, it is given that Albert Einstein, he was born on 14 March 1879 and he was born in a city named Ulm in Germany. And when Albert, he was a child, so that was the time that there was no indication that he was destined for greatness. So this means that nobody could predict that time that when he grows up, he will be a great scientist. So when he was a small child, he was like other children, and he did not show any qualities that people could predict that he will become a great scientist when he grows up. So, but Albert's mother, she always thought that he was a freak because he did not behave like normal people, and she felt that his head was big as compared to the other children of his age. So the mother, she thought that he was a freak. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So the youngsters played by himself much of the time. He especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at this newborn sister Marja, he is said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" So now in this, what is given here is, in this, it is the mother, she thought that his head was quite large. So the boy, Albert's mother, she thought that the little boy's head was bit too big in comparison to the head of the other children. So when he was 2.5 years of age, so that was the time when he started talking. So it is normally the children, they speak when they are quite small, before a year or so. But this person, that Albert Einstein, he started talking when he was 2.5 years of age. So when he started speaking, he used to repeat the words. He used to utter everything twice, and he did not like most of the time. He did not like to play with other people. So what he used to do is he used to play by himself, and he did not like playing with the other children. So the other children called him Brother Boring. And when he was a youngster, that time he just played with himself only. So from the very beginning, he loved mechanical toys like automated cars and all. So he did like the mechanical toys, and he enjoyed playing with the mechanical toys rather than playing with the children of his age. So when his sister was born, and what he used to do is he used to just look at her, and he could not see her feet. So he was just wondering that where, like, he was just involved in the mechanical toys and all. So he used to wonder where the wheels were. That means he was just thinking about the feet of the child, and he compared it to the mechanical cars and all. So he compared the feet to the feet of the baby to the wheels. So Albert Einstein, what he used to do is he used to play with the toys, and all the toys that he used to play with, they had wheels. So he felt that the sister is also a toy, and he was just wondering where the wheels of the toy are. So he was more involved in the mechanical toys.